toilet seems to be broken, and it's been like this for 2 or 3 days. We tried plunging it with a plunger. We tried kicking it, and it still isn't working. So yeah, we need you to come out here. We need your services. So anytime is good. So alright, bye.
Hey, yo, Chris, the plumber's here. Chris.
I'm the plumber.
Alright, cool. Come on in.
Alright, so what seems to be the problem?
The toilet's backed up and I can't seem to get it unclogged. It's been like backed up for about 2 or 3 days. Bathroom's right here.
Alright. Someone must have made a mess.